60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin and is now we they do, and this morning we go look all the better things wey happen for Obodo Yibo club football yesterday. Leicester City, oh boy, the kind moral wey those people get now, me if I want know, I want get that kind moral, make my life self ginger, make my life swagger, because they win Manchester City yesterday 2-1, and Pep Guardiola wey be Man City coach, the man don dey holla, he say the gas go hospital, go know wetin dey worry Manchester City, because this Man City wey no be the Man City wey dey see dey play. This Leicester City na so dem catch them. Manchester City don first score goal, but Leicester City come back, come score 1, come score 2, come win the game 2-1. And many people don dey talk say the thing wey dey happen with Man City be say people no dey fear them again, people no dey respect them again. Say na una win league last season, but nobody dey fear una. But me, they asked this morning, Gabriel Jesus, Kun Aguero, Bernardo Silva, David Silva, all those better people, even Ishi company, those people, they still dey Man City. So what thing they happen? Why you go talk say people know they fear Man City again? I be you. How you see them? You feel say people know they fear Man City again? Then the final people we'll go talk about now Tottenham Hotspur, now then the second now. You feel say Tottenham go feel win league from Liverpool when season go end? You feel say they go fit pursue Liverpool, overtake Liverpool, then conquer Liverpool at once. Make a hear wetin you they think about all the matter where they happen.